Hello, and thank you for joining me today. I am here to give you a little sneak peek of my Sending Cheer holiday stamp stack. So if you're finding yourself racing against the clock at this point to get your holiday cards, maybe even designed, let alone done, or maybe you just need a few more cards to send out to your friends and family. With our festive season fast approaching, I am here to be your holiday helper. So hello, my name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at creativeleeyours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. So this card class is wonderful. It is a 15 project class. You're going to have 3 each of 5 designs. And it's all featuring this Sending Cheer stamp set and die bundle by Stampin' Up. So in the kit, it includes your PDF tutorial, so that you have flawless crafting, a package of designer series paper that's a specialty paper that's foiled. It's gorgeous. 1 package of embellishment and a spool of ribbon. And then all kitted up for you. I prep everything, label everything, hopefully make it super clear for you so that you know what you're getting. And there's even an option to double and have 30 cards instead of 15 for an additional $39. So let me show you a sneak peek of these fantastic projects. I'm not going to show you the insides. I don't want to ruin the surprise, right? So these are super fast and easy, but gorgeous, right? And hopefully you can see that lovely foiling we've got going on. And you can kind of mix and match how you want to deal with your elements, right? So adorable, adorable cards. So I'd love for you to join me. Registration is going on now. I'll put a link if you expand the video description to show more. You'll have the link to be able to check out full details and register for the class. Registration does close on November 11th. So don't wait. Go ahead and get your class ordered. Thanks so much, and bye for now.